business is meant to be fun. It's not meant to be you creating yourself another job. This is Six Figure Seller Bear. Six Figure Seller Bear is the kind of person that is on YouTube shouting about all of the millions of pounds and the six-figure months that you can make selling digital products and all this other stuff on Etsy. And I am gonna part ways with Six Figure Seller Bear because let's all be honest, we don't want Lambos and private island money. We just want the freedom and the flexibility to do our own creative thing when we want to do our own creative thing. I am not someone who's going to be shouting in your face 6 figures, 5 figures, 4 figures, whatever. But to be quite honest, you can scale your business as fast or as slow as you want to. You can make £1,000 a month, you can make £5,000 a month, you can make £10,000 a month, or you can aim high and do the 6-figure thing. I've done them all, and honestly, they work for different people. So that is why the Handmade Bosses brand is all about creating a business that is going to work for you. Make sure that you are aligning yourself with the correct goal and ditch the experts that are shouting in your face about 6 figures and 7 figures. Ugh!